Hey guys, welcome to episode 15 of our branding series. Today we are talking about Aldi. Aldi actually started in 1913 by Anna Albrecht, and she started this little grocery store in Germany, and then later in 1948 is when her sons Carl and Theo ended up taking over. The stores were then called Albrecht Discount. Later down the road they shortened the name to Aldi from Albrecht Discount. So you put them two together and it's Aldi. The original idea behind Aldi was, this like discount grocery store. I grew up going to Aldi, being the youngest of 9 kids, that was a great place for us to shop and for it to be really cost effective to feed 11 people in my family. It's interesting the efficiency and even the cost effectiveness, and the products are great. If you think of a customer journey, they have minimalized steps not just for the customer but for the actual employees themselves.
I even know managers that work in the corporation, and now they tell me down to the detail of timing their employees or time at how fast they check out the customers. And also they have one of the #1 management training programs for college students, and it's equal to almost getting a master's degree in MBA. Because I was looking at, getting my MBA or going through a management training program, and it's supposed to be very valuable, and it's actually very sought after. It says a lot about the company. They have a lot of strong values.
Let's look back at even the previous logos. When it switched to the Aldi name, it made very minor changes. And again, another really strong brand that has kept consistency across the board. They started with a really good foundation and just made improvements along the way. So that brand recognition has stayed really strong instead of them going bipolar opposite, completely changing the look and feel and having the customers have to remember a different brand.
They recently remodeled a lot of their stores in the US, and I feel they still maintain that brand integrity. Their quality of food, a lot of people think, it's discounted, so the quality is not as good. And actually, I found better quality food at Aldi than some of the other grocery stores.
Aldi has thought out so well the whole entire customer journey throughout the shopping experience. It's very simplified. It's made it really attractive to people who are have busy schedules and they just want to get in, get their groceries and get out. And so they really looked at efficiency on the customer standpoint and efficiency on the employee standpoint. All right, guys, that's Aldi. Thanks so much for watching. We are going to be on episode 16 next week. Why don't you let us know what brand you would love to see us evaluate and go through and hear a bit of history, maybe one of your favorite brands, and we'd love to research it and tell you more about it.